Hi, okay, another quick video for Blog Tactics. This one is to show you how to set up an SEO or search engine optimization, search engine friendly permalink structure. Okay, the permalink structure is the format in which your posts are recorded on your site. Let me show you what I mean by that. Okay, let's go to mattgarrett.com and click on one of the posts. And this will actually have a search engine friendly permalink structure when it comes up. Okay, that took a second or two, but if I pull this down you'll see what I mean. Under mattgarrett.com the file is called Do You Get Twitter, which is basically from the title here. Okay, now that is search engine friendly. It doesn't have any subdirectories, it doesn't have any question marks or other characters in there, and it contains the keywords. So search engines like that sort of format for your permalink structure. Now let's have a look at where we change the permalink structure. If you log on to your blog into the admin area and go to options permalinks, you'll have this page here, and this is the default structure, which just gives a question mark and then the post number. Now obviously that's not search engine friendly, partly because of the question mark and partly because you have no keywords for the name for the post. Okay, now the second one down is potentially better because it could have the keywords here, but you've then got this long directory or folder structure. And then we have another one where it simply has archives and the number. None of these are search engine friendly. The best one I found is this here, post name, with these tags at the front and end. Okay, so feel free to copy that and use it. You will then end up with search engine friendly permalinks. However, if you're going to do so, what you should also do is go to the Blog Tactics plugins page. You can see plugins at the top here, and if you scroll down there is a plugin called Dean's Permalink Migration plugin. What that will do is make sure that your old posts can still be found. Basically it sets up a redirect so that the search engines and your visitors can still find your old posts even though you've changed the structure to this new post name permalink structure. Okay? Now there is another potential problem which I'm going to show you on Matt Garrett. I need to quickly make a change to show you what the potential problem is. Okay, so I've quickly updated my Matt Garrett site so I can demonstrate what the potential problem is. When you change that permalink structure, WordPress should automatically update a file on your site, on your domain, called htaccess, but it doesn't always do it. Okay, and if it doesn't, what you'll get is when someone clicks on the link for a post, instead of actually going through to the post, they'll get this, which is a 404 error. It's basically saying the page can't be found. And the reason this is happening is because WordPress hasn't been able to update the htaccess file with a bit of code that it needs for something called mod rewrite. Now we have that bit of code here, and I'll show you how to make the change to make this fix. Now you can grab this bit of code from matt7.com blog tools htaccess mod rewrite code. Okay, click on that and it's a zip file and it just has exactly what I've got here, this bit of code. Okay, so what you need to do is go to your site, log on with FTP software. I've done a previous video on matt4.com on how to use FTP software and where you can get this particular one, FileZilla, from, because it's free. And what you need to do is go to the public HTML folder on your site, grab the htaccess file and download it to your local hard disk. Then we can edit that, and what we need to do, ignore this bit of code here, that's for another video another time, but what we need to do is copy this bit of code here and paste it into this htaccess file and then save that and upload that again to my public HTML directory. It'll ask me if I want to overwrite the existing file, or it should. There we go. Okay, now having done that, if I go back to mattgarrett.com and click on this icon again, this link again for the page, it should now come up correctly because the mod rewrite code has been added to the htaccess file. If you get that error, this is really slow for some reason, I'll just pause while it updates. Okay, the moment I hit pause it came up. So basically if you change your permalink structure so that it's SEO friendly and you then have the problem that you click on the link for a post and it's coming up with that 404 error, you simply need to go to mat7.com blog tools, grab that mod rewrite code access, and copy that bit of code, paste it into your htaccess file, okay, and then upload that via FTP to your domain, and that will fix the problem. Okay, this video is on blog tactics, with the rest of my videos on how to make changes to your blogs. Thanks for watching.